Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Splash Guard is probably one of the most underrated kitchen accessories, but it plays a crucial role in keeping your sink area clean and your garbage disposal running smoothly. This simple yet effective device prevents food particles and water from splashing back up, protecting you from potential messes and hazards. Today, we're diving deep into the world of splash guards to help you find the perfect one for your kitchen. Number 5. QCB-AM Sink Baffle for Evolution Series Garbage Disposal. Tired of noisy and messy garbage disposals? This replacement sink baffle is the perfect solution. It's designed to fit most standard disposals and makes your kitchen cleaner and quieter. Made from durable silicone, this baffle is built to last. Its 3.25-inch diameter fits a variety of sinks. The design ensures smooth water flow and prevents splashes. This sink baffle keeps food and water from splashing up. It also prevents metal objects from falling into the disposal, protecting it from damage. It's a simple yet effective upgrade. Enjoy a quieter kitchen with this noise-canceling baffle. It's removable and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Replacing your old baffle is a breeze. Installing this baffle is quick and easy, with no tools required. It's compatible with various brands like Kohler, Moen, and Waste King. It's a great inexpensive solution. What we like? This sink baffle is made of durable silicone material, ensuring a long lifespan. It also significantly reduces disposal noise, creating a more peaceful kitchen environment. If you prioritize a quiet and easy-to-clean solution, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Fit perfectly for my incinerator. Fits perfectly, and better than the one that came with my disposal. Water is draining through properly, food goes through the guard easily, and it is very easy to remove, clean and reinstall as the material is more pliable. Number 4. Essential Values Disposal Splash Guard and Stopper Combo. This combo is designed to fit various garbage disposals, including Whirlaway, Waste King, GE, and Sinkmaster. It's a replacement splash guard and sink stopper. This product is essential for your kitchen. Replacing your old splash guard is easy. No tools are required. It's a simple way to upgrade your disposal system. The splash guard prevents food and debris from splashing up. It keeps your sink area clean and tidy. This helps maintain a hygienic environment. It helps keep silverware and other unwanted items from going down the drain. It allows food to go into your disposal. This is a practical solution. This combo fits all standard sinks and disposals. It is compatible with brands like Kohler, Moen, and many others. It's a versatile choice for your kitchen. The splash guard has an outside diameter of 3.125 inches. It's a standard size for many disposals. This ensures a proper fit and function. What we like? This product comes as a combo with a sink stopper, offering added convenience. Installation is tool-free, making replacement a breeze. If you're looking for a simple upgrade that prevents food and debris from splashing, this is a great option. What people say. This splash guard and sink stopper are amazing good quality for the price. I did measure the opening, and both pieces fit perfectly. This stopper held a large sink full of water overnight when I needed to soak some stained items for 12+ hours, and didn't leak a drop. I ordered this one and it's just the right size and it muffles the sound of the disposal beautifully, as well as keeping the water from splashing up. It fits snugly, prevents splashback, and holds a sink of water. Number 3. Essential Values Garbage Disposal Splash Guard. Tired of food and debris splashing back up? This replacement splash guard is designed to fit most standard kitchen sinks. It's a universal fit, making it a convenient solution for your disposal needs. Replacing your old splash guard is a breeze. No tools are needed for installation. Simply remove the old one and put this one in its place. This splash guard keeps unwanted items from going down the drain. It allows food to pass through while protecting your silverware. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain your sink. This splash guard measures 3.14 inches and fits most standard sinks. It's compatible with brands like Kohler, Moen, and Incinerator. It's a reliable replacement for your existing baffle. We stand by our products and believe in our customers. Enjoy your kitchen activities without the worry of defective products. This splash guard is built to last. What we like? This splash guard is designed for universal compatibility with most standard sinks. It's incredibly easy to replace, requiring no tools. If you're looking to protect your silverware and other items from falling down the drain, this is an excellent choice. What people say. All disposer baffles work to reduce splashing and keep food from flying out, but this one also deadens the noise significantly better than the one it replaced. This one fit in perfectly. I am able to remove and put back easily, so I anticipate cleaning will be a smooth process. Number 2. Essential Values Garbage Disposal Splash Guard and Stopper. This combo pack includes a splash guard and sink stopper. It is designed to fit most standard kitchen sinks and garbage disposals. This will be a great replacement for your old one. This product is compatible with various disposals and universal sinks. It fits in place of the original Baffle splash guard and stopper. You don't need any tools to install it. It's easy to replace your old, damaged, or misplaced splash guard with this one. It will keep food and debris from splashing up. It's a simple solution for a common problem. This splash guard helps prevent silverware and other unwanted items from going down the drain. At the same time, it allows food to go into your disposal. It's a practical addition to your kitchen. This product fits all standard sinks and disposals from brands like Kohler, Moen, and many others. It is also compatible with disposals by OEM, Waste King, SinkMaster, and Whirlaway. It's a versatile choice. What we like. This product includes both a splash guard and a bonus sink stopper, offering extra value. It's designed for easy, tool-free replacement. If you want a complete solution that fits most standard sinks, consider this one. What people say. It does both beautifully. Who would have thought that such a small product could make such a big difference in the kitchen? It fits great and works great. Our old stopper had begun to unravel around the edge and wouldn't sufficiently hold the water. Protects the garbage disposal from foreign object entering, and allows for the sink to be filled with water when you want to submerge items for cleaning. Number 1. CLEESINK 3 to 1/8-inch Garbage Disposal Splash Guard. This is the perfect accessory for your garbage disposal. It's designed to fit most easy mount disposals, like Waste King and Whirlaway. This will make your kitchen experience much better. The splash guard keeps water and food waste from splashing up. It also helps to reduce the noise from your disposal. You'll enjoy a more peaceful kitchen environment. Installing this is a breeze, with no tools required. The guard is also removable, making it easy to clean and access the disposal. Just make sure the disposal is connected to the sink for a tight seal. Made from high-quality nitrile butadiene rubber, this is built to last. It's oil-resistant, wear-resistant, and heat-resistant. The quality of the material ensures its durability. QCB-AM is dedicated to improving your life. We are passionate about creating products that enhance your home. Partner with us for a better future. What we like. This splash guard is designed to reduce noise, providing a more pleasant kitchen experience. Installation is quick and easy, with no tools required. If you value a quiet kitchen and a product made from premium materials, this is a great choice. What people say. Fit and finish perfect. Fit perfectly, was exactly what I needed. Fit it nicely and was snug enough to not move easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.